Hey, what's up everybody? I'm out here. It's 5 in the morning, waiting for the bus, my first of many buses I'm going to be taking to get to a set. Filming in the where am I filming? I'm filming in the Delta Tsawwassen area, show for ABC called The Big Sky. Can't really give more information on that, and sadly I won't be able to film on set, but I'm gonna film my journey, and hopefully there's some interesting things on the way. It's about a hour and a half to 2 hour journey. I have to take a couple of buses, so let's see what happens. Stay tuned. Got off my first bus. I'm at the Brighouse Canada Line station. I'll be catching a Sky train down to Bridgeport station. From there I catch the long bus all the way to Tsawwassen.
The next station is Lansdowne.
I'm now here at the Bridgeport SkyTrain station, which is also right next door to the River Rock Casino, which I believe is still closed due to the pandemic. Only the hotel should be open, maybe not even that. Looking for my next bus. Need to go to Bay 12. Here's Bay 11. Bay 12 is up next. From there we catch a long bus ride all the way to Tsawwassen.
Many minutes later.
So Google Maps told me catch the bus from Brighouse station to Bridgeport station. But I thought to myself, why do that when I can catch the SkyTrain and be there in half the time? Now I know why. I'm here in half the time and I have a 30-minute wait instead of a 12 as it would have been if I would have taken the bus. So we made our way on the bus. It dropped us off here at Tsawwassen Mills. Unfortunately I didn't get any footage on the bus because there was too many people, and outside, well, it's just pretty dark because it's just mainly highway in the middle of nowhere. So we're at Tsawwassen Mills right now. It's pretty foggy. I don't know if anything can be seen because of all the fog. And we're walking down towards the water park. That's where I gotta meet up for circus, and that's pretty much gonna be it. I'll try to get some extra footage in, hopefully. If not, I get more footage on the way back home. Still walking. According to Google Maps, it's like a 16 to 20 minute walk out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, not in the middle of nowhere. We're still walking through Tsawwassen Mills because there's no sidewalk. It's just pure highway on the other side. Let's see if we can get it on camera. Nowhere to walk. It's all used to be, I believe, swampland before, so don't want to walk down there in the grass. It's freezing cold. Glad I brought some overalls underneath, long johns, whatever you want to call them. They're keeping me nice and warm. Finally I have a good use for this mask. It's keeping my mouth and nose really warm. Only thing that's cold is my hand for holding the GoPro, so I won't talk that long. I see whole bunch of cars there. A little bit ways out. Doubt you can see it on this camera since the GoPro doesn't zoom. That is probably where Circus is, seeing as it's the only place with cars at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then from there we head to our secret filming destination. Not even I know where it is. They don't tell us. They just shuttle us in there. So yeah, it looks like it. So I'm gonna put this camera away because if they even spot it, I might get sent home. So I'll see you guys later.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Just finished. It was an early day on set. Feet hurt. Got shoes on that not too comfortable. Now to try to find my way home. Luckily they let us out in Ladner where we were filming, so I don't have to go back to Tsawwassen and walk for 20 minutes to the bus. Instead the bus is right over there, right across the street from where we were in Holden. Across the street, right where I'm supposed to be getting the bus. It's like this little park called Maggie Park or Maggie Park. Little pond. Not much of a park, but I mean, it's okay. I guess it's okay. And we're at the bus stop. We don't have to wait too long for that bus all the way to Bridgeport. Boy, am I tired.